Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Canva ebook. First, let's plan your content. Clearly define your ebook's purpose and who you are writing it for. Then, outline your chapters and key topics. This foundational step ensures a smooth creation process. Gathering all your text and visual assets, like images or logos, before you start designing will save you a lot of time and effort later on. A solid plan is key to a successful ebook. Now that your content is planned, it's time to choose a design. Head over to Canva and search for ebook or report templates. You'll find hundreds of professional layouts. Select one that truly resonates with your brand's aesthetic and the overall tone of your content. Look for templates that offer a good number of pages, perhaps 10 to 15, to accommodate your information effectively. This choice sets the visual foundation for your entire ebook. With your template selected, it's time to bring your ebook to life. Start by replacing all the placeholder text with your carefully crafted content. Upload your brand's logo, incorporate your specific brand colors, and use your chosen fonts to maintain consistency. Explore Canva's vast library for high-quality stock photos and graphics to enhance your pages. Remember to ensure uniform formatting throughout for a polished and professional final product. You're almost done. Before downloading, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire ebook. Check for any spelling errors, grammatical mistakes, or design inconsistencies across all pages. Once you are satisfied, click the Share button and choose to download your ebook. For digital distribution, select PDF standard for a smaller file size. If you plan on professional printing, opt for PDF print to ensure the highest quality output. Congratulations, your ebook is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.